Hello, I'm Professor Stephanie Watson, Head of the Corneal Research Group at the SaveSight Institute. Today I'd like to tell you a little bit about stem cells. Now firstly, what are they? Well, the best way to think about them is if you imagine a house. Now, to build a house, you need building blocks, and the stem cells are the building blocks of the body or the eye. There are many different types of stem cells that can produce different tissues, or different rooms of the house if you like. Now, stem cells are being found to be useful for treating conditions in the body. For the eye, they've now been used to treat a condition called limbal stem cell failure. And in this condition, the cells on the surface of the eye don't form properly and patients end up with ulceration and reduced vision. This treatment, cultured stem cells, is available in Europe, and at the SaveSight Institute, we're working to make it locally available for our patients. Now, the retina is a much more complex tissue to fix with stem cells. It's a bit like the data room in your house. There's lots of connections, lots of cables, lots of computers, and they all need to go together for things to work properly. Now, researchers have been trying to develop stem cell treatments for the retina. And what they've found is it's actually very tricky because you have to reconnect all the cells. So another method they've looked at is to actually replace the supporting structures or the supporting cells for the retinal cells. And this is a layer of cells known as the retinal pigment epithelium. And in March 2018 in London, researchers in a phase 1 trial transplanted the retinal pigment epithelium of patients and managed to improve their vision. Now, this treatment is currently not available outside trials, and we're waiting eagerly to find out the results of the final, what we call phase 3 trials, which establish its safety and efficacy. So stem cell treatments are still holding promise. The government now has a 150 million stem cell therapies mission, and hopefully with some funding from this work at the SaveSight Institute, we'll be able to bring stem cell treatments closer to the clinic. Thank you.